keema curry. That is the dish for today. It's a very versatile dish and you can eat it with rice or naan bread or chapattis or even with pasta. The meat that we're using is lamb mince. However, you can follow the exact same recipe with any other minced meat. Let's make a start. So here we have our ingredients. We have lamb mince 1 kilogram, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 medium potato diced, 2 cups of frozen peas, and here I have 2 large onions, 2-inch piece of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic and 3 to 4 green chillies. Put them in a blender and just basically blitz them. Time to move on to our dry spices. We have here salt 2 teaspoon, turmeric 2 teaspoon, red chili powder optional 1 teaspoon, and garam masala 1.5 teaspoon. Here I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on medium to high heat. As the oil heats up, you add your onion, ginger, garlic and chili mixture to it. Stir well and leave it to brown for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, as you can see, your onion mixture has changed color. It's time to add your chopped tomatoes in it. We will stir it and leave it to cook. Cover and leave it to cook for another approximately 10 minutes. As you can see, our paste is now ready. We add all our dry spices into it. Stir thoroughly and just bear in mind that throughout this cooking process we will have medium to high heat. It's now time to add the lamb mince into it. What I tend to generally do is just cut the lamb mince into chunks, which makes it easier to stir. I would now, as you can see here, I would now stir it thoroughly and leave it to brown for about 5 minutes. Cover it and leave it to brown. After about 5 minutes, as you can see, the mince has changed color. It is now time to add the potatoes and frozen peas. It's quite normal in traditional mince to not have potatoes, so they are optional. Once you have added your potatoes and peas, you stir it thoroughly, you cover it and leave it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After about 30 minutes, you can see your keema curry is ready and you enjoy it. So our keema curry is ready. It tastes and smells absolutely delicious. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please don't forget to click on the like button. If you would like to see more exciting recipes from me, please click on the subscribe button. I will see you in a few days with another exciting recipe.